in my little kampong that there's a fluctuation. There is a change compared to what I had when I was a youngster. So there seems to be evidence of change of climate, global warming, all these buzzwords out there. But you know, the problem is it's a complex subject. There are so many different things influencing the climate. It's not a very black and white, straightforward thing. There's an inconvenient truth. Some people even argue some of the science in the film is not 100% correct. It's a very complicated subject. It's a very complicated theme. It's a battle as well. It's an economic battle. It's not just about science. It's as well about business. There are a lot of businesses interested in zero change. If we are trying to reduce CO2 emissions, some of the old businesses, oil and gas, you know, they might get a disadvantage if we shift over to alternative energies. But we need to do it for the sake of the planet. And what we've seen in the last couple of days in Japan, we know as well that nuclear is maybe not as easy to handle as a lot of people think it is. When I grew up in Germany, actually as a teenager, Chernobyl blew up. And I remember, for half a year, we didn't eat anything from our garden. Because there was some nuclear rain fallout. And the German government advised us not to eat anything from your own garden. So that is still in my memory. I've never been a keen supporter of nuclear energy. Even though the CO2 emission per unit of kilowatt hour output might look very attractive if you calculate it. Are you aware that different forms of energy have different environmental impacts if you convert them in a central unit, kilogram of carbon dioxide?